And now as I want to go straight and forward, I'm going to put my right leg back on and send him back to the track, into that shoulder 4. My outside leg again starts to push the hind legs back over to the right. And then as I'm cantering, I want to just be able to like send him forward back up in front of my inside leg. And so this is a really great, I'll do it one more time now that we talked through the aids, just so you can see it one more time. So it's not like I want to change my seat bones, like, oh, I'm on my outside seat bone, but I do want to be able to, this is fairly sophisticated, so I do want to be able to talk to him about being able to be adjustable under my weight. So again, I'll do it one more time to the camera on this right side. And again, always, always, always being really clear about coming into these corners and out of these corners in that shoulder 4. Shoulder 4, shoulder 4. Good. And then haunches in, left leg, straighten out, haunches in. Good. Good, straighten out. Haunches in, haunches in, haunches in. And always, always finish with that shoulder 4. I'll just change direction, make a change. So it's collect, forward, ask. Good, my left leg is now up at the girth. My outside thigh, my right thigh is now back. Shoulder 4, shoulder 4. My right shoulder can come back, my right leg now straighten out. Good, haunches in again, right shoulder, right leg, straighten out. One more time, bring the hind legs in, straighten out, shoulder 4, shoulder 4, shoulder 4, through that corner. Good boy, good boy. Make one change. Collect, forward, ask. Good boy. And because I just sensitized him to those aids, the change becomes very, very smooth and easy. Collect, walk. Good boy. So I hope you guys found that helpful. If you have a horse that tends to be a little bit late behind or a little slow to the aid, and canter walks tend to make him too nervous, this is a wonderful exercise to kind of sharpen him up and explain to him by exaggeration what you want him to do when you put that outside leg on. Sometimes a horse that's late behind, if we can teach them to sort of jump to a haunches in, that can be super helpful for the horse to understand in the moment of the change, I must respond with my hind legs.